Hi, hello, H197. Thank you, people. Thank you. Carlos Sanchez. Hi, Carlos. Thank you, 3 people. I 3 likes. Thank you so much. 23 people in the house. How are ya? Where from? Melko. Huh? Rahul Roy. I love tomato. Carlos Sanchez. Hi, beautiful. Robert Fred. Ray VC Moyan. Aden Sanamera. Hello, Sanamera. Suresh. Oh my god. Harry, good morning. Good morning. Boops. Huh? Thank you so much for 29 people in the house. Oh my God, Suresh. Beautiful, beautiful. Unfair Harvard. Why unfair Harvard? Why you say that? Napakaganda mo, pwede bang magbati mula sa Colombia? Carlos Sanchez, shout out to you. Greetings from. Thank you, Carlos Sanchez, for joining here. 41 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you. Ang mga parol. Good morning, sis. Cesar Tumbaga. What is it? Good morning, sis. Hi, Simon. Jessie. Terno yung suot. Yes, terno. Meron kang magandang ngiti at napakarilag na mga binti. Ang ganda ng skin tone, mahal kita. Carlos. One Gail. What? I don't understand the language. Maybe it is what is Chinese, Japanese? The chicken. Sound happy, yeah. Always the chicken. This morning, need to gather the eggs for your breakfast. No eggs. I think the chicken is not my own. I'm not the owner of the chicken. Thank you for the likes, guys. Oh my god. Hope you translate it in English. I don't understand. Please. Nido Ivani Shita Misita. I don't understand. Oh my god. Meron kang magandang. Oh my god. Thank you, Carlos Sanchez. Hi, Will. Hello, Saw. Hi, Will. Beautiful orange to love. Rahul Rai. Punta tayo, magsimba mamaya. Oh my god, girl. Stop. Diba, my name is Cheryl. Too like nickname, girl. This is Ginarly. Who's Ginarly? Ginarly. Can't see my lovely. Hello. Hi, Bojang. Unfair Heaven. Vera Machado. Hi, Princess. Vera Machado. Eric Noya. 56. Why unfair her part? Can you translate it in English? Thank you, 56 people in the house. Thank you so much. Looking wrong. Crush Pal Carl. Oh, girl, go Granola. Like, it's a song of Katsi and Pay in a pace too. So, yeah, anyways, you are the first person that had the same name as me. Really? Like, just it is my nickname. Oh, wow. Yours is the nickname. Well, you look very rested today. Your skin is glowing. Yeah, my skin is glowing. My God. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine, guys. Thank you for joining. How are you? Long time no here. 58 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hi, Stephen Martin. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Steven. And welcome back. I hope you had a good night's sleep. Yeah, I have a good night's sleep. Do you know Katsi? I don't know Katsi. Like it is a global girl group. Anyway, you look very beautiful. Natural beauty. Love from fellow girl pop and ninja. Ah, fellow girl pop and ninja. Thank you, Kosh Palkor. Kosh Palkor. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes, guy. Let's see. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much. Donnie. Hi Donna. Hello beautiful. Like and share and subscribe. Thank you, Rick. Kosh Palgar. You call me Cheryl, no problem. I do recommend you to listen Sugatsi. Anyway, which country are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. I'm on a parole. Thank you so much. Really, Philippines, I visited it once. It is beautiful country. Thank you. Cars park car. That roaster would drive me. Oh my god, the roaster. I'm surrounded the roaster. Thank you, 49 people in the house. 15 people likes. Thank you so much. Oh, wait lang. Magandang umaga, ate. Magandang umaga. Hi, Mark. Hi, Kuya. Magandang umaga. Thank you, Kuya Dre. The roster. Girl, that roster is high. Okay, Copen. Hi, Mark. Good morning. Good morning, Kuya Dre. I really love your eyes. They make your features pop. Yeah, so ginarly. Ginarly. Song today, so the song for today is Pap 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 Takarao from the chicken, from the roaster. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Mark. Emmanuel Salva. Hello. Anyway, I speak 15 languages fluently. What about you? I just three languages speak. Just three. Just three. Only three. I am dying. Why are you dying? Sing it, girl. Take track. The take track. Take track. Raman Kartulu. Raman Kartulu. Raman Kartulu. Ang mga parang. How old are you? Like you are a student or something? I'm a student. Me, I'm a mother. I'm working and I'm 40 years old. Maybe you think I'm young, but I'm old. Oh my. How's the headache? The headache is gone. Gone. I think it's time to light the barbecue. Okay. Take your time, Rick. Oh my. Raman Kartulog. 40 pero fresh. 40 pero fresh. He said, Jesse. Really, a mother? Wow, that is a really a blessing. How is a motherhood going for you? Remember, it is tough but beautiful. It's very tough. Not so easy for being a mother. But it's one of the favorite job, being a mother. Find that roster. Oh, Tomini roster. You look like 24. Thank you. Thank you, Will. Tomini roster outside. Luis Marrero. Hi, Luis. I will be in your front door in 1 hour. Bleh. The roster said you and talking today. Maybe. Sarap ni sila. Hindi rin. Boring ako eh. Wait, I'm 8 years older than you. 8 years? So, 48 years old, Kuya Dre. Hey, Coro Dal Cora Doligas. Hey, Cora Doligas. Ang mga pera, sweet wedding nga. Oo nga. Let's cook the roaster, Mark. Thank you, 50 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Many people here now. Oh, mga peral. I miss doing Zumba. No Zumba today. I'm no Zumba. No Zumba. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. I'm good, man. She's still soft spoken, and then freaking Rosa is out. They're dying or something, man. I think you got diarrhea or something. I don't know. My God. Jay Z 60 naman. Anyway, I just pulled an all-nighter study. Gonna go now. Bye. Genuinely nice meeting you. Nice meeting you too. Nice meeting you too. Crush Palkar. Thank you, Mark. Oy, Major Nati, Sawar Hussain. Who's going to Super Chat to stand out in the comments? Super Chat, please. Love the heart outfit. Yes, thank you. Oh, love you. Hey girl, I like your style. You seem very playful. That's great. Manuel Salva. Well, we'll get along very well. I'm a fan of women like that. Hi, KDM Project Animals. KDM. Maybe you Project Animals. Maybe you are obviously animal lover. Did you get some sleep? Yeah, I sleep good. Thank you, 50 people and the live in the house. Pero, 56 people here. Thank you so much. I have a pot for the manok. For the manok. Some Louis Cora. Louise, me too. Me too. 62 people in the house. Oh my god. Salamat, Peggy. Thank you so much. Doo-doo-doo. Thank you, Ari Ari. Hi, welcome to the house. Live stream, 62 people. Thank you for the likes. The weekend on YouTube are very different. Yeah. Why? Hi, Marco Ching. Marco Ching. From where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Oh my god, 78 people in the house. Marco Ching, where are you from? Cheryl needs to practice her basketball shot. Yeah, I need to practice. Oh my god. For $100, I will make it. From Cabanatuan. Welcome. Nice to meet you here, Marco Ching. Like Luis Coronado. You're so cute. Thank you, Marco Ching. Well, it's Saturday, right? So you got a lot of Muslims, Islam here talking in the room, so that's kind of cool. And then tomorrow is Sunday. You will have all the Christmas, right? And they're talking. I'm thankful. Here, no Muslim, and maybe you have, but no Muslim here in the where I live. A lot of religion, but no, I didn't see Muslim here. Pwede ba kitang makilala? My name is Cheryl. Hey, darling, you're someone who's very easy to charm. You know? No, I don't. People like that a man can't resist one cute little face. Cute little face. Patrick, hi Patrick. Nice to meet you here. Hello. Raul Perez. Hola eres muy linda. This live is perfect time. Yeah, perfect time. Uh, Are you single? I'm not single. Yeah, I'm not married, but I think I'm not available. I'm not finding someone. Plus, the people who get work become on the weekends. Yeah. Today is Sunday. Sunday today. Oh my God. I thought Saturday. Luis, I don't like that. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to you're in your room. I just mean on YouTube. I thought. Yeah. Thank you, Mark. Marco, I'm 40 years old. 40. 40 years old. I'm 40 years old. Thank you so much. 85 people on the house. My God. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for joining. Aripanar Garip. Aripanar Garip. Thank you po. Ang mga pera namin. 64 people. Saturday where? Saturday there. Saturday night there. Here already morning. Oh my God. 93 people here now. Market Cheng. Okay. Oh my God. Wait. I just wish I could be there right now to see if you're you seems to be are if you're not a coward at the crucial moment. Huh? Ew. What a crucial moment. Do you have child? Yeah, I have kid. One kid. I'm not a virgin. Marco, shut up. She's not available. She's my joke. Kuya Jay. Don't worry, I'm good person. You from Thailand. I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Aripanar area. In yesterday, tumugtog kami kagabi. You are part of the band. Banda ka? Can't wait for the day you sing for us violin. Violin. I can do violin. I don't know how to play the violin. You're up early. Where's your coffee? Not yet coffee. Not yet coffee. May gig kami kagabi. Singer ka? Don't worry. I'm available. Saan ka sa Pinas? Punta ako dyan. Madali lang. Playing guitar. Hello, Chester Hexon. Thank you for joining. Hello, my beautiful friend. Thank you, Sir Chester. Where are you? I'm from Philippines. Sir Neil Hayden. Just sing. Just sing. I think he means you sound beautiful when you sing like violin, like a beautiful instrument. Your voice is beautiful. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Sir Mark. All right, sir. Thank you, Sir Chester Hexan. Ikaw kung okay sa'yo. Hindi ako okay dyan. Hindi ako nakikipag... Hindi ako nakikipag... No, no, no. You are beautiful. Thank you, Neil Hayden. Thank you so much. Naghahanap ako ng, hindi ako singer. Kumakanta lang pero hindi ako singer. I'm not singer. I just love singing. No, Marcos. No, Marco Ching. Marco Ching, no. Thank you, Marky. Kuya Dre. Thank you. See us. Thank you so much. Welcome to Cheryl Farm. Okay lang. Thank you. Thank you for understanding, Marco Cheng. So beat it. Beat it. Maganda tumugtog. Congratulations there, another member. Yeah, thank you, Kuya Dre, for member. New member. Kantahin ko para sa'yo. Ang alin? What the song? Thank you so much. Kantahin ko pa. Yung favorite mo. Lead Me Lord. My favorite song is Lead Me Lord. No, I'm not. Sorry. I'm not playing any instrument. I want playing guitar, but I'm always. I love ladies from the Philippines. Thank you, Neil Hayden. Thank you, Sir Neil. Very beautiful. Thank you, Neil. Where are you from, Neil? Don't worry, you have talent. Show your talents. Thank you, Marco Cheng. Motivating me. 81 people in the house. Girl. 87 people. San Antonio, Texas. Nice to meet you here, Nell Hayden. Thank you so much. Hi, ganda, Joseph. But can't wait anymore. Must have a coffee now. Yeah. Need a coffee. Where's my coffee? Sino po kasama nyo? Kasama ko, bibi ko, si Gab, my son. I'm with my son. I'm with my son. How old are you? I'm 40 years old, Chernail Hayden. 40 years old. Yep. Masarap mag-content. Sarap mag-content. Anong sarap yun? You're what? You're multi-talented. You can sing, you can dance, and you definitely can talk. Oh well. Oh well. Jose Carlos Atolanjet. Good morning, Atolanjet. Where from? Good morning, Darling. Ilang taon na yung 9 years old. My son is 9 years old. Only ko ito. Neil Hayden, beautiful. Thank you, Sir Neil. Olha, Eduardo Limas. Good evening from Brazil. Nice to meet you, Jose from Brazil. Zakimita. Hi, Zakimita. Atulano Jet. Sure. Oh my god. My goodness. Oh my god, no. Malay. What? Oh my god. I'm 42. Matanda lang ako sa'yo ng 2 years. 42. 2 years age gap. I'm not married, Sir Neil. Never been married. Joseph Paris, show your outfit. Mark check. Kumusta ka na? I'm fine, Mark check. Okay lang. Ikaw, musta din? Don't worry. Tuloy na. What? 50 Cent music. Wow. Ano? Tag, yeah, Marco Cheng. I'm Brazilian. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Jose Carlos. What I learned from. You're ready for New Year? Yeah, preparing for New Year. Sir Nell. What island are you from? I'm from Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. Mark check. Oyo. Don't worry, nakahanda. Ano ba yan? No. Hindi. Marcos, hindi. Have you been married? Never been married. I've never been married. No one can marry me. God. It snowed here. Oh, where are you from? Mark check. No, hindi pwede. Marco. No. Marco Cheng, no. Dennis Otieno. Which province? I didn't hear it. The province where I live, Bicol Province, Philippines. Bicol Province. New York. Wow. Mark check from New York, USA. Don't worry, sanang bibigyan ng name ne. Super chat to stand out. She can't answer all comments, so we need to keep up with. Yeah. Thank you, Koya Dre. You can give support by sending super chat, guys. But I live in PI many years. Huh? PI? What PI means? In Quezon City. You and I. May gulay. Morning. Good morning, mother one. Mother one. Was like citrus tons of pet. Sorry if I not read the comment. Pwede ka pang, hindi, pwede ka pang artista, yun lang. Wala tayong talent. Wala tayong may pagmamalaking mukha. Tsaka talent. You live in, you live in the country. I live in Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. Do you like older men? Age doesn't matter, Sernel Hayden. For me, well, yes. Well, yes, well. Thank you, well. Well. Love is love, nigga. Aga pa, nag-live na. Hindi ka pa nakape. Get it, girl. Dennis channel. What's your name? My name is Cheryl. Can you be my no? Mark check. Lots of chicken, no jeepneys. Yes, no jeepneys here. I will get coffee going. Do you like milk or black? Uh, Mix. Coffee with milk. Do you like your coffee with milk? Yeah, or with nothing? Maybe some sugar. I like coffee with milk. Anong height mo? 5'1". My height is 5'1". I'm from Kenya. Ah, nice to meet you, Dennis Channel. Or Channel. 40 years old, light forger. I'm 40, 40. Wait. Sunday morning, parang. Paslip, Sunday morning, magsimba. I will go afternoon here, going to church. Ayun lang. Siya nga pala, wala pa. Kailangan ko kasing working hard here para to reach the goal, the watch hours. That's why I'm doing a live every day. Alam mo yun. I use Tangle right now. I'm not available. Tristan, I'm not available, Watch jeepneys. Tarang magkape. You live on a farm? No, I'm not living in the farm, but I love farm. Smile me from Brazil. Smile. 48 people in the house. Thank you so much. My age is 69 years old. 69. Young, well fed. Nice to meet you, Sir Nell. Hayden. Teka, batang ng tabi, alisin. Ano mainit? Sir Hayden. Oh my God. Jeepneys are the coolest transportation ever. No jeep now. Maybe in Manila. Jeep. Some here, but not a travel, using for travel. But here, a private vehicle, not in ano. But in Manila, I think the have a jeepney there. But here, a minibus. I'm a God's power from Nigeria. New here. Wow, God's power. These strikes are called to Marte. I am 26 years old. Oh, Dennis. Me, I'm 40 years old. 40. Thank you. Oh, is it the thing? Philippines, the little I know that you're talking about. Yeah, yeah. If you try to do that in United States, you'd be a dead man. Dead man. Because of too cold there. You here in Manila? No, I'm not in Manila. I'm living in the Bicol province, Philippines. 40 looking good. Thank you, Pedro Nuevi. Nuevi. Really good. Paulo Penho. I'm from Philippines. No, no, I just travel a little bit. Okay, how old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. Sorry, I must go. Okay. Neil, Hidden, thank you for joining. Take care. God bless you. I keep... What? No, napunta ka na ng Nueva Ecija. No, hindi pa. Sorry, I must go. It's take your time, Sir Nell. Thank you for joining. Take care. God bless you. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Barnell Webster. Hi. No, no, I just travel a little bit. Okay. Okay, Mark. I'm 40 years old. I keep missing the province. Which island, Luzon? Bicol province, Philippines. I'm from Bicol. Bicol. 40, really? You look 22, 18 years ago. Thank you, Lloyd Porter. Nice meeting you. To talk again soon. Thank you, Sir Nell Hayden. Yeah, nice meeting you. Hope you join here again, Sir Nell Hayden. Olingam, Hikera, Dave Cheryl, good morning. Ranzi Zon channel. Ranz, where are you from, Ranz? My God. Ranz, may saltik pala to si Ranz. Naliligaw. Naliligaw si Ranz. If I met Cheryl, if I met Cheryl Pham, then we have to marry. My God, Mark. No, no, no. How do you keep that fit body at 40? I don't know. I live normal here, just like other here. Susunod sabi, magkakatilapi. Di naman totoo. You see how she brushes the hair from her left side. Yeah, I'm always do that. Oh my god. Because Mark, I'm meeting Cheryl Pan. She's mine, bro. Oh my god. My father gets sick, you know. Oh my god. The wind was blowing last night, really beautiful. Pretty Philippine girl. Ba-ba-ba, eraw-daw-aga, sinong may sabi, kakatinapin, hindi di naman totoo. Brazil, kuya, you traitor. Yes, Daniel Ferrer Bana, Camille, 34 people. Thank you for the likes, guys. Mike, I'm kidding, man. Don't get serious because I'm not serious here. I'm just talking. Oh my god, 38 likes. Thank you so much. Galbando. Galbandro. Tig Sarah. Hello from Switzerland. Beaker Zelmani. Beaker Zelmani. 47 people. Turn the fan on. I know it's hot there. Yeah. Getting hot here because of sunny. Is your favorite color purple? No, my favorite color is sky blue. I'm from Philippines, guys. This coffee. My favorite color is sky blue. The blue sky. Walang energy. Legacy sabi, babae. Uh, my God, 23 people here now. Sasayaw ka. 30 people. Thank you so much for the 30 people. A lot of nanliligaw in the comment. Gandang-ganda sila sa akin. Marahil. Maybe they think I'm beautiful, but I'm not like that. I'm from Spain. Jojo Obado. Hi, Jojo. Simply breathtaking, so you are. My God. Well. Bababaero daw ako. Padalhan kita dyan, pamasko. I-Gcash mo na lang. You can send Gcash, Jojo. Yun lang. Happy New Year. Pwede ka super chat, ganon. Hello, my name is Samuel. Samuel. Hi, Samuel. Ano yung day mo ginagaling? 35 people in the house. 42 like. Where are you from? I'm from Adiemo Gimimila. I'm from Philippines. My name is Cheryl. Cheryl, my name. 19 people. My name is Samuel. Okay. Nice to meet you, Samuel. Thank you for joining here, Samuel. Wait, I need to get a coffee. Sinong may sabi? God. That pig is a goner. Cheryl, you should put a wish list in your description. Plus people info. Thank you. Oh my god, the pig is someone selling the pig. Someone selling the pig here. That's why. Oh my god, my. Yeah, the pig is crying. Yeah, the goner. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi, Tita Cheryl. God, Tita Cheryl. Yeah, the pig. The pig crying because someone selling the pig here. That's why. Merry Christmas, ABC Banakri Buhay. Hi, do you know do know and child with Down syndrome? Sorry, that pig is a goner. Yeah. Tito Shar, Koripot Boang, welcome back, Koripot Boang. Thank you for joining here again. I invite you, Tito, Puerto Rico. I pay for the trip. What? I pray for the trip. Hello, well, from Koripot Boang. So, so, thank you so much. 26 people in the house, 43 likes. Hello. Hello from well. Sana all Puerto Rico. Hello Timor Leste. LBG channel. Hi. 22 people.
Mana ko na sugat niya.
Ayan.
Niya. Mana sugat niya. Niya makakasay. Ay, nako.
Ay, nako!
Bata, maka-out.
Okay, pupunta ka para kalam, ano ha? Laulam! Ano to sa ano? Peanut bunker. Bunker. Bakit tingin mo na kalalaya? Kaya ako mag-backlight ka pa. Kasi wala TikTok dito. Kaya kakaulog mo niya. Pwede ka naman, pinagkitang ka naman.
Copy time, yes, copy time. Time na. Para pa pam. Para pa pam.
Bakit ba ikaw?
Is I bet you can cook really good, so thank you. Yes, she cooks yummy. Thank, thank you so much. Ay, she can cook. Gusto ko tapsil. Wala. Walang tapsil. No tapsilog. Wait lang. Just wait. Wait for me.
Tararan.
Kaya, nakuha ko ng sikito. Kaya sa'yo na ito yung sakwa. Gusto.
I cook food. Tosilog. No, tosilog. Not silog. Mark, you need to learn Tagalog. Filipinos are really funny when you know the language. Oh, thank you, Kuya Dre. Yes, Mark. You need to learn Tagalog, Mark. Who is Motar Road Trip son? Ah, my brother's Motar. That's my brother's Motar.
Sometimes we don't feel the same to the time. You can never have I haven't seen Cheryl practice not one basketball shot. I make a video for practice for basketball. Hello, hello, Makash. I will practice later. Good try. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y mag-isa? Sino ibigin ka? Hello? Oh my God. I don't like. Still here. Respect the host. Thank you. At hindi ngayon ang puso ko Thank you, Stellan Beiji. My Tagalog tutor is from Caloocan. I met her in person like 2 months ago. She called me a giant. She's like 4'11". Oh my god. Ha? Oo, kaya na.
Ay, aga dito yung sa pinto mo. Ang try din.
Sabay na rin.
Hindi mo na isa. Mahal kasi kita kahon. Bangon try din sa bula-bula. So maybe this time a little bit will find. Maybe now we back in this life.
Wow. Compared to America, Filipinos are tiny compared to American women.
Right. You're right.
So tiny.
Bakit? Meron kami doon. Bawang. Bawang ito.
Ha?
Super science na. Super science.
Very low people. Tiny. Filipinos are better women. Thank you. Thank you, Jamie.
Thank you so much. 22 people in the house.
I'm 62, so I'm the Incredible Hulk. Big man. Incredible Hulk.
People. Bakit tayo ganyan?
How many pigs do mother pig? My brother's pig. Koripot buang. Filipinos are nothing like American women. Those women are buang talaga.
I need to know.
Buang talaga. Oh my God. Marco. Hi, Marco. I need to know. I need to know. Need to cook for father. Cook for father. What does that mean, Koya? A Filipino are crazy. Buang is crazy talaga means really. And this. You really love me, gonna get your love me harder, love me harder. Never letting go. Sana to. Are you jealous? Isa na naman pamilya. Wow. Sabi ni Kuya, Herman Tala, isa na naman pamilya, mahangos sa kahirapan. Di ba? Kuya, magsikap ka. Alam mo ba yung ginagawa ko, Kuya? Nag-live ako, Kuya. Hindi ako namumutot ng pera, Kuya. Nag-live ako. Hindi ako nangihingi sa'yo, sa ibang ano. Huwag mo akong inayabangan dyan. Kuya Tala, Herman Tala. Kapag nagsikap ka, makahang ka sa kahirapan. Pero kapag naninira ka, wala kang mararating doon. Wala ako labot siya doon. Oh my God, I miss. Good to know. Yes, thank you, well, Norberto. Filipina is a little jealous, but sweet. Oh my God. I need to know. Never let it go. Filipina, yes. Yes, we feel jealousy. Jealousy. The jealousy. Yes. For Filipino. Love me harder. Love me harder. Love me, love me, love me. Harder, harder, harder. Big night means stay away. So cooking with big night means stay away. So that is fine. Oh my god. Kevin Smith, kumusta ka? Okay lang. Hi, Kevin Smith. How are ya? I need to know. 23 people. Oh my god. Kevin Smith. Kevin Smith. Hi, dangerous. Dangerous. Hmm. Franca. 23 people. Okay, Cheryl, my Joey is calling. Need to see the video of your practice. Okay. Bye, Kuya Drek. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining here, Kuya Drek. Kabas. King Love, King Job. Hello, King Job. Mostra. I'm back. I'm back in Yuki from Philippines. So depressing. Ah, I'm back in Yuki from Philippines. Why depressing? Why depressing? Kevin Smith. Hola. Mean be a good boy, Mark. My gulay.
Buhay ay sadyang ganti.
Ipapigilan. Pag-ibig mo, may sumay. Ano ba yan? Pag-ibig mo, may katapusan. Mali, mali pala yun. Kaya mayahan, pagsubok lang. Huwag mong itigil ang laban.
gonna let him go. The main.
Ha? Basa-basa? Basa-basa?
Jadi, hindi ko ang suga.
Basa lagi.
Kasi yan suga. Ham.
Well, every day I forgot to take her Jollibee. She will forgive me. Jollibee. Oh, I wish I could reach through the screen and just pass it to you. Thank you, Ree. Beautiful. Good morning, life, life, life.
Thank you so much. Yada doon ang pinggan ni Papay. May mangkok siya doon.
Pilitin mo ba? Video.
Ano niya? Kung panurod ka man niya, lola.
Ay, kudo nga lang yan. You guys want to give her everything except super chat. You guys are a bunch of broke dicks. Out your money, where are your motives? Huh? I wish I could.
Thank you so much. Heriyo. Kasi mapinitan. Ugang bagan ako dato ng pagkaon.
Hi, John. Hi, John. Oh my God. Look at this. That's the truth. Oh my God. So trust. Between all of them, they can't fuck of gun. Fuck of gun. Fuck of gun.
Walang ano.
Oh my God. She has a boyfriend. That's his job. Oh my God. Mods are supposed to be more professional than that. Wow, I got here. Hi, Kenya. How are you, Kenya? Oh my God. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Oh my God. Sorry po. Don't take it seriously here. Good. I'm sorry for that. Ano. She has a boyfriend. That's his. Thank you so much. 16 people here. Thank you a lot. 50 people. The likes. You look amazing po. Oh my God. Thank you po, John. John, thank you po. Being a mod, you can't take things personally. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Everything is right. Just, oh, not, ano, but yun. Oh my God.
Oh my god. You well, you don't know shit. Shit about.
Out na cellphone, sinisingit ka, silver dollar.
Filipino women are very traditional. Thank you, Jamie. Says you really love her, gonna get you love me harder, love me harder, love me, love me, love me. Thank you so much. 58 likes, 17 people here. 24 people in the house. Thank you so much. I'm very respectful. Thank you, well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friends here on YouTube. Sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me now. I know that love's coming. So, thank you, well. Oh my god. Mario Portugal. Ew. Bleh. Ngeh. 36 people in the house. Thank you so much. 59 likes. Thanks a lot. And if you really love me, gonna get you love me harder. Love me harder. Love me, love me. Um, oh really? You know everything about her. Dream boy. Perverts, go away. Well, are not you the special? Well, are not you the special one? Oh my god. Guys, just be real, respectful. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. No joke. Oh my god. Calm down. Here it's cool, good vibes. You know what? Here, I'm doing live here because of I need to reach the goal for monetization, and yours get supporting by sending super chat and a little help. It helps me to buy a laptop to good for blogging and more improvement of my blogging and save more for the
daily needs, because you know what, being I need to having a, oh my god, need to save. That's why I'm here, because of the, it helps me to earn money, monetization. That's why. So no, I'm just here, just talking, cause I joining here the lives. I'm just entertained and talk to you guys. Hope no, just good vibe. Bring the good vibes. Bring just the good vibes, and maybe hopefully we can make friends here. Make friends here. Making friends here. That's what I think. Magandang umaga, beautiful Mike Mercado. Hi, Mike Mercado. What kind of laptop are you saving for? Need to saving for the laptop because it helps me to. I think I don't know. I'm just looking for the laptop. Why can't we friends? Why can why can't why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Eh, be friends. Be friends here. How was your Christmas? The Christmas is good here. That's why. Damn girl. Oh friends. You have trouble reading that. Yeah. The can and the can't. The can and the cannot. Because the can is for good people, good vibes. The cannot friends. That the rude, toxic, something like that. Cannot friends. So did I. Yes, John. We friends here, John. You are the kind, one of the kind friend me here, and so thank you so much, John. Who was your teacher? Me. I educate myself. I'm just joking with you. Uh, no one teach me. I educate myself. Self effort. Thank you so much. 25 people in the house, 61 like. Oh my god. What a 61 like. You teachers. Yeah, I teach myself. Self experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best teachers. 23 people. Thank you so much. 61 likes. Oh my god. 61 likes. So time for school again. No, no school now. January. Uh, 62 likes. My God. For you. Yeah. Times. Oh my God. I'm always continuous learning. Willing to learn and continuous learning. I'm messing with you. Where? I think it's like wrong spelling is wrong. Maybe you are so busy, Golden. You call to pick on sometimes. Um, you're working, busy at work. Guess who back? Hi, Kuya Dre. Thank you for joining back again. Thank you, Kuya Dre. My spelling is not. Okay. Okay. You got jokes. Okay. Sorry. So, And it's not ano. Mama. Oh my god po. Time for coffee. Yes, time for coffee. My coffee is already cold now. Time. Coffee time. You're working hard, Golden, maybe. You work a lot. Busy. Can you get your love me harder? Love me harder. Love me, love me, love me. Harder, harder, harder. Oh, what is it? What we have here? What we have here? You up or going back to sleep? Cheryl, you're not yet monetized. Just unlock the super chat. Not yet monetized. Need more watch hour. That's why I'm doing live every day, every hour, every minute. How far are you? Very far. Very far, far. 63 people hit the likes. Thanks so much. From getting it. Up, too close. Monet, uh, because uh, I not active in years. So I stopped 2003. I stopped. That's why. And then I continue on this just year. I just continue this active this year. So I stopped 2 years. So my channel before monetized, but I'm busy at work here because of daily expenses. And I'm going active again on January this year. So thank you guys. I meet you here on the live. So close maybe before my birthday, my channel monetize. Oh my god. Birthday gift for me, please. YouTube. Monetize channel. Ah, I will keep this. I thought you have it once you get it. I didn't know they remove it from you. Because I'm not active. If you are not active, even short video not yet upload, you will be demonetize your channel. Wish list, Jangidi. My wish list, laptop, scooter, because I walk a lot. You know what? I walk a lot. First, that's the new phone. My new phone and the screen of my phone is broke, so I need new phone for space. My phone is full storage. That's why I'm not making a new. That's why new upload video because if I mm, full storage, but effort, the hard work pays off. Hope I reach the goals before birthday. What a birthday gift for me. Monetize my channel. Focus on getting your driver's license. Ah, yeah. Driver's license. Hala, motor, can you ride? I will learn to ride. I will learn to ride because I want to go to somewhere, go to the beach, nature. I love nature. For vlogging. The purpose for this, for vlogging and exploring
the nature here. I want you to visit here. I want you to see the beauty of here in Bicol. That's why upload the video. It is very beautiful in the Philippines. Yeah, very beautiful. So beautiful here in the Philippines. Sing, sing it then. Thank you, Tit. 8 people in the house, 63 likes. God, what amazing, you need sponsorship. Yeah, who wants to? Oh my God, thank you, John. Oh my God. Yeah, if someone give me a laptop. Thank you, John. Oh my God. Thank you for the Snapchat. Snapchat. Super chat. Snapchat. Thank you for super chat. God bless. Thank you for. And if you really love me, thank you so much. Oh my God po, you're welcome. God bless po, Sir John. God bless po, John. Thank you so much. I super chat none. Because it's a nap. Just snap. Sorry. Sorry, super chat. Thank you for the super chat. 17 people here. Thank you so much. Someday, someone's gonna love me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And if you really love me, can you love me harder? Love me harder. Love me, love me, love me. 14 people. They take 30% of super chat. It's less your people now. Yeah, I have people on my bio. I put it on my people. I have people. Just a few new account. Just new account the people. That's how see this people don't talk about it, send it. Thank you, John. Yes, thank you. You really come again. Come again. Thank you, John. Ah. Love me harder. Love me harder. Love the outfits, really. Thank you. Thank you.
Ah, sige. Let me hard. Cold coffee make me gag. The coffee is already cold. Yeah, already cold. It looks very small. Opo. Yeah, thank you so much. Mom! Aray ka. Aray ka. Aray. Ibata mo dito ano guys ang sasaguro kahugasan. Love me harder. Love me harder. Love me harder. Can you get your love me harder? Love me harder. Love me harder. Thank you so much, my friends here. Love me harder. Love me harder. Love me harder. Do, 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 do. I'm too small. My God, very small. Marge. Hi, Mega. Hi, Marjan Manle. Manuel, naka-ay Facebook, Mega. Facebook. Follow my page. Stop me hard. I'm not active on Facebook. I'm not there. Love me harder. 19 people here. Thank you so much. 64 likes. Maybe I will sponsor something. No motor. Motor, you can ride it yet. Thank you, sir. Kuya Dre, thank you so much. Okay, Facebook. Okay. Thank you, Kuya Dre. My God. Thank you. Your jowa is, your Filipino jowa is proud of you. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Six people in the house. Oh my God. Love me harder. Love me harder. Wara di si Made. Ambo. Kalingoy nyo. Pagalon man yan si Made. Kani wara si Made. Kagabi ya di.
Ay, di naman ako kami niya sa salita.
Ay, ma'am.
Ano kung wala mga dara yung kami na lang dito. Ay, nilog niya.
Ay, di. Sige.
Pwede ako
Ah, sige po.
Ladish love Nage. I know she wants to give me sample. uh, sponsor like
Pag-amo, pag-ilan. Oh, paano dito? Ano? Mga bote.
ikaw. Like what I call this? Anything. Anything Kuya Dre. Ibata mo lang dun, ibata mo dun. I much appreciate it. Ay nako, kasi Ladesh love Nege. Hello, 66 people here. Oh my god, I'm more than 2 hours live. What happenings to me? Max LJ. Max LJ. And if you really love me, no worries, joke lang. She's okay with it. Yeah. Ah, really? Your girlfriend? Wow, your girlfriend she's so amazing. Your jowa, she's so amazing. Oh, Rini here again. You go down the woman wormhole and get lost. Wormhole and get lost. Very nice. Raining here, suddenly raining. How you go? You have to leave me. You told me more. Oh my God. Akay nagpapag ka. Wish is what's raining. Oh wow. Here, raining here. Raining now again. Sunny and then suddenly in few minutes or few hours, raining. Opo, my jowa is understanding. Wow, your girlfriend Pedri she is so amazing. You're so lucky to have her. Me, I'm not. Me, I'm not like that. I overthink a lot. I'm jealous. Yeah, I felt jealous. Overthink. I'm overthinking. Thinker. Wow, it's just so amazing. Your jowa is just sounds like Arkansas in July and August. Oh my god. My father coughing. Me hire school 7 Good morning, madam. Good morning, me okay? 25 people, thanks so much. Beaches and volcanoes. Yeah, we have a volcano here. It called it Bulusan volcano. And many beaches here. Many beaches. So we love her. Thank you, 18 people.
Love me, love me, harder, harder. Day after day, and those lonely go insane. I hear your voice online, but it doesn't. Is that Philippines? Yeah. Beautiful beaches and resort, really nice. Yeah, me here. Date cannot doesn't take long to understand. We like to help people who are trying to. Ah, wow. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Really? The Kano is like that? Thank you so much, Kuya Dre. I can't wait to see those beaches. Maybe I need to go to the beaches. Stop my play, man. I need to go to the beaches. I'm off to get coffee. See you later. I'm sure you will be live later. Thank you, John. I will live later. Thank you. Thank you, John. Thank you for the gift. God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you more. It's so weird. I'm doing always live because I need to reach the goal. And after to reach the goal, I need to rest for a while. Not for...
Yada ito na samlod.
Yada ka dapat mo sa mood. Nalimot siya. Nalimot siya. Nalutan. Namata pala nadadala. Nalimot siya. Nakuha na niya ang buta. Sabi ay. Ay si Baba. Thank you, John. Spencer Caswell. Thanks so much. Di maamin ang damdamin na ngayong wala ka na sa aking piling. Alaala. Papasakay ka? Kung to si Manintang, sabihin mo kung na status. Kung naputon mo si Manintang, kung na, sa chat na lang niya ako kung ano kung ano ang kaipuhan. Ito runod. Darahon mo?
Baka lang mama lang pin.
Ikaw. Ano sabi ni Manintang?
Punta ka lang.
Jealousy can eat you up. Yep. I felt that's why I'm not good in a relationship because of my jealousy. When I see my man interested to another woman, I overthink a lot. Even the comments or compliments. I felt I'm jealous. That's my problem. The problem is me. Okay, I'm off again. She wants to talk about things. Maybe my sample. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you, Kuya Dre, for joining. Hope see you later. See you next live.
Right now.
Thank you. Salamat.
May papadarada yun sa imo. Nalimot ka. May papadarada sa imo, nalimot ka.
Oo.
Ah, si Ash. Si Ash. Nalimot na nga. Bali, magmamahal naman yun sa iyo. Nalimot. Naghahanap san samhod. Paula Linda Copacabana from Brazil. Douglas Ribeiro from Brazil. 72 likes. Thank you so much. Kuya Gab, padamadaw mo na ako saglit. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kuya Gab, balik ka. Nini. TikTok. Din. Data lang. Ito ka na. Ilatag ko na lang sa inyo. I fell loving so long. I can see. Thank you so much. I can see the Oh my God, 72 likes now. What a blessing today. Hi, beautiful eyes. Rinaldo Franco. Oh, thank you. You have a beautiful eye. My eyes is beautiful, really. My coffee is already in. Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, always feel. What is 22 people? Baby, my heart cigarettes in the memory. I think that people fall in love in mysterious ways. 16 people in the house. I feel really down. So beautiful. I'm sorry, don't leave me. thank you po. 35 people. Sometimes. So are you wearing pajamas? How much is laptop there po? I don't know what's the laptop here. Oh my god! You buy me a laptop. How for you, Dre? Oh, yeah. Thank you. I don't know the laptop. I don't know the price. As some down there, as SM down. Maybe I need to going to the SM. I will looking the price. I'm looking for the price for the laptop. Oh, thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much, Kuya Dre. Oh my god. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much. Hello from Australia. Hi, Con. Simon. Hi, Simon. Spencer Caswell. Two people. Thanks so much. I will keep checking with you po. Have a blessed day, ma'am. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Oh, thank you, Kuya Dre. Oh my God. God bless you po. God bless you, Kuya Dre. Oh my God. Cheryl, you have a beautiful eyes. They are like two diamonds in the night. Up! Nano? Ay! Nano, pira na lang bagan ta. May ano na, may spaghetti ko na si...
Pag may spaghetti na, nakatipid na kayo.
Sige na. Ay, nag-send sa ako.
Ay, bigyan mo nagsicheck.
May nag-send na may nag-get ng sa akin.
Paano ang pag-ano sa
Nag-live ako sa YouTube.
nag-live ka sa YouTube?
Oo, nag-live ako sa YouTube. Say hi, my friend.
Hi! Hi! Welcome to my channel!
Nag-live ako sa YouTube.
Gusto mo lang mag-ano sa kaso? Gusto mo na ako!
Sa balay, adi maramo ko ng balay ni.
Hindi, minsan din gagamit ay hinatag ko na kami. Ito, nasasabi ko sa utong pumanyan to kay para may
Na ano pa lang ako naasikaso wala sa kanila. My God. Pasensya na.
Bagaman.
My visitors, no chair. Sorry guys. Kaya di si ano ko. Tapos si ano si Cesar.
Say
Ay!
kulay na hay.
Kaya di na. Maano kami. Pero narambagan ta.
Dire, kay insan ko baga sa medyo mamamahala naman kita kasi sa spaghetti kay an ingredients sada. Pero kung may spaghetti na kita, tapos may yun sa corned beef, may sauce nito.
Para babakanong to na lang
Giniling, tapos
gatas.
giniling, tas hotdog, o man lang, tapos mamashoot pa kita. Pag recipe ka talaga yun, may mushroom,
Oo, masarap
tapos
talaga
may
may
bell pepper,
Oo, masarap man
bell
talaga.
pepper, tapos na stick cream lang, na condensed lang na sarap. Pero lalo gusto niyo yung natalis, hindi na katama condensed, gatas na lang, tapos whiskey na lang.
May itis doon.
Basta kung pwede na kami. Mayroon pa ba na ako dito, may man ako dito sa
Ang sa spaghetti baga ako na lang.
Swiss bound, tapos
Ihat na
ang problema.
Ihat na ito na.
Ang problema lang nato ay adobo.
Pwede rin ako naman.
Ako maluto na sa spaghetti, ayun ako pagpaluto. Aking kirimay na ako.
Mga pera na adobo.
Ang may spaghetti. Tapos kung halimbawa,
Sige nga ako ito. Adobo. Kaya nga ako pero tasty niya.
basta experience ko na talaga yung spaghetti.
Ito mo sa
Sa
imo
New Year,
mga ingredients.
sa New Year, pwede ba? Sinana? Kita ka natin.
Para dapat doon mo malingkit.
Para sa
Punta
amin.
kita. Ano ang bagan?
Maunga ni pera.
Pintahan. Hindi kita kasama. Nakalive ako. Pag na lang ang bullpen.
Eh, si Ate Chi, maski pera sa doon. Ay, makortahan ni.
Wala na nga niya ako pa.
Ni.
Wala na nga niya ako pa nang.
Mag-live man kaya kita.
Wala na ako pa nang hindi sa balay. Ay,
Nakalive niya kita.
Wala ako ano.
Welcome to my channel.
Oh, man, sabi ko, welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Wala ako bullpen.
Yug sa dinahay. Maway, nagdaghan ng papel.
Dito na lang ka.
Yadi yung
Bullpen. Dito na lang sa iyo. Karani ni. Tagal na kayong
Ay,
kutsila.
naman ito bulpin ho. Ay, ba?
Ay,
Wala ko ng bulpin.
papel na lang.
Papel na lang.
Yadi na. Urawang telepon kita.
Ang kay pang sa adobo, maramaon na lang aram bagay. Tapos, gatas.
Ay, mami mo din ang siya.
Igado sa Oy, gado. Adobo lang.
Kung may adobo ka, di may bunay ka man, no?
Ayo.
Di ba? Pwede pag ganyan. Para mas specific. Ano ka na, ano? Kalawat?
Ayun na, yan na. Ayaw na lang.
Sino na kami para makain?
Sabihan na lang.
Mag-isigilas din nila. Di ba? Spaghetti mo na kasi. Ako may pumili.
Maramita. Sabi ko na. Ay, wait.
Anong pinitamanit sa nili ba din?
Mao nga ni. Dire na ano didi.
Ano ba yung pano? Kaya mo, walang talaga ko ba din?
Yadi ha, yadi ha.
Iba manugalan ko ba din sa ako?
Yadi ha. Yadi ha. Thank you for the 3 people in the house. Thank you so much. Are you friends? No, I'm not married. Sorry. Oh my god. I will. Thank you, Dre. Cheryl, you have beautiful. Oh my god, I already read. Cute fan. Thank you. Simon. Hi, Simon. Hello. I'm not married. Mga idol, ganda yun naman. Thank you, Mark. Hi, Mark Altas. Sexy naman. Are you friends? Not married. Thank you, Mark. See you and I. Sexy. Always sexy and beautiful. Norberto.
so much for joining here.
Magregalo na ako. Magregalo na ako. Hindi na ako, inorder ko sa Shopee. Kumalik ka na o raw ang nagsasya. Nasa 300 kasi. Hindi na tutulog yan. Tapos yung chopstick.
Okay na yun.
Mushroom.
76 likes. Thank you so much. Live na live sa All TV to. Live na live tayo sa Purok Das. Ayan. So medyo makalatan na to kabahayan. Magtaga-adal-adal, magtaga-limpya kay Maramoko na tayo. Mag-New Year. Hi Simon. Thank you Simon. Thank you so much Simon. I'm from Philippines. We're doing a live here in the Philippines for the land of the Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. Hi Fernando Beauty. Live na live tayo. Live na live. My God. Live na live tayo. "42 people in the house. Thank you so much." You can send that, no?
Okay, minutes lang natin. Sa ate.
Oh my God. Oh my God. My dress, my old dress. I love you so much. Why you love me? Parvatino Pim. Oh my God. Why do I look like this? Oh my God. When maybe I try. Oh my God. Ah. Oh my God. Good morning. Tomorrow we have a Christmas party with Zumba man. Ang pangit. No. So no for. Ha? Saan?
Mga 300 plus ada. 300 plus ada. 300 plus ada. Kaya ano ko, di ba na ko lang? Ha?
Dito na lang sa
Dito sa may ano, sa may South Star Drug sa unahan, diyo. Kasi kasi mga patining dito talaga na 300 plus.
Isang to na 300.
Dire, mga 350. 51 feet.
May socks ko. Hindi pa na pagbayan sa ano kay 280 lang siya.
Pwede si 300 ka lang.
Basta ibig sabihin. Hindi, kaya mamasahin mo.
Ah, sige. Ito, ang 300.
Okay na namin.
Oo, magayon nun ano, advance.
Patatas. Toyo at may unak.
God. Oh, wow, so beautiful. I love this. Mahal ang patatas? Mahal?
Ano lang, mga 2 na pilas sa ano.
Oo, ang saday lang bagaan, pang ano na talaga. Ay! And if you really love me. Ano ba?
Iba na po sa isang mixer.
Napipigan na yan.
Ang baga na to. 143.
Yeah. I love this. I love this.
Ate Che,
Huh? Yes?
nasa 243.
Ang sayo? Oo.
Kung pwede ko na sa iyo.
Ano rin? Nano?
500.
Pwede man. Oo.
Oo.
Dali ah.
Maano kita?
Ha?
Ano na kita?
Doon na.
Ano na mga
Oo, hapon na. Oo.
Nakaliya ko ng pwede.
Oo na.
Stop kita mo.
Ha?
Kayo.
Ha?
Yung mga ate Che.
Nana?
Sobra pa man yan. Ate Che, di ko man ang hindi. Kaya,
Na, para mo.
Iba mo dito sa may.
ay na.
29 people. Hi. Oh my god, I love this.
Ay, 10 pala.
Oh my god, it's
WhatsApp na.
oh, sige na, WhatsApp na. Mauna. Mauna, mauna.
Doon na, ano ko.
Hi, bye-bye. Babush.
Bye!
Bye.
Doon na lang ha.
Oh,
Ano
doon
na
na.
mga oras? Pakakaon. Mga
Alas,
oras.
alas 3.
Alas 2.
Alas 2.
Oh, sige.
Oo, alas 2. Sige na, kakain na ako. Ate,
Sige,
ano
bye-bye.
tayo kumain?
Ay, so. I need to know. Thank you, 44 people. Oh my God, why so big? Simon, very, very good. Very, very good. Tapos, wireless mic, tapos vlogging yan iPhone. Ah, yes po. Wireless mic po. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much. You know what, Kuya Dre, I tell them, my friends, that you want to sponsoring me. Oh, my advance, thank you. You're, oh my God, you are already married. Not yet married. I've never been married. Hi, Bradley Malone. Hi, nice one. I love you too, baby girl. Why? Thank you. Hi, Simon. Pabati naman kay Don. Pabati daw kay Don Don Porcado from Mark Altas. Hello, Don Don Porcado from Mark Altas. Simon. Goodbye. Goodbye, Simon. Juan Fernandez. Very fair. Simon, thank you, Simon.
Bakit?
I love it. Oh my God, I love this. Oh shit. Malagkit. Wow. Oh my God. I need to. Where are you now? Someone deep inside. I'm finding important papers where I. Ciao, bellissime. Ciao, bellissime. Thank you, 44 people here. Thank you so much. Wow. Love me harder. Love me harder. Oh my God. Sa gitna ng
The sweater. Get a sweater. My God. It's from my sister from Taiwan. This is from my sister from Taiwan. So beautiful. Fit for me. As Bon Ani. Hi, Shao Vincent. Shao. Simon. Shao, Shao, Shao. So beautiful. Juan Fernandez. Thank you, ET people. Thank you. Hit the likes. Why needs? Oh, oh my God. Why need to open?
sexy.
Hi, Joey. Thank you, Joey. Oh, my friend.
I love 68.
Oh. Ano yun? Oh my God. Wait. So that looks good on you. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. My God.
Ano yun?
Kasi,
5.
Ganun ba
ambot
ba niya?
malamata pa lang. Di man nilang, gayan lang ni Lola Didiwa. Nagbaba ikaw tulos, na pinitan ikaw.
Pinitan na dayo.
Ano ba ba?
Painom ko nga mainit na tubig.
Parehas kan as. Nasugo mo mag-ansin. Ula-ula ako san... Ba yun? San?
Samhod?
Samhod. Kapot-kapot na yan. Again niya. Pagdato niya. Ito si Dada Dada. Kita dan samhod. Sabi ko, kapot na ay.
May dropper ka ate. De? May dropper ka nila. Mamami ko sa de. Mamami ka ha. Mamami ka na lang. Hindi na dropper natin.
Sige na ba? Unang baby ni Mama, ni Lola. Ni Wawa. Sino Wawa? Doon. Wawa. Sino baby ni Lola? Ano ba ba?
Diba? Nagawin si Kuya Dab, yung gagawin si Ila, kaya gagawin ko na ni Bibi. Tapos Kuya Dab din mo.
Baby.
Oo.
Ay,
Tapos, oo.
paano adain sa
Ano pinitay pag mataada, diretso baba.
Bing, 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 babang, 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 babang. Hi, Nay.
Kailan ko nga mainit na tubig, naplasang ko asay.
Mistiya din ako Sara ho. Ano?
Babang, babang, babang. Umalis si Tita Ila. Tita Ila, Tita Ila. Ayan din lang, ayan din.
O yan na natin.
Iwan na lang. Iwan na.
Meron baby. Pag bigdasan mo ka isa na ang sige, kapag madaling araw diya, na ano.
Ding-ding.
Aplasan ka dahil.
Nang ano ang palasan hangin kong gabi.
Nag-electric, ay, nag-electric. Dili mo kayo itutukan.
Kung alam.
Okay.
Tada babang, babang, babang. Tabi, baby, baby.
Iduwang ta na lang mamay na ano.
Ama.
Sige, baby. Baby mo. Dadadadad, baby bang, chili bang, silang babang, babang.
Ba't hindi? Nalahibig.
Taro ka, bebe.
Magulan na. Di takanganaan sa
Pag bigdasan mo ate, mapinitong pag madaling
head
araw.
na head na pamata.
Isa pa, bebe, isa pa.
Di pa babang.
Dali na. Kapalong tayo si Lola ay si Wuwa.
Baudan kayo on. Lasi ini Kuya Gab, abot na.
Kuya Gab,
Ayun, Kuya Gab. Si Kuya Gab yan. Nagkakam.
Balik na gatag mo da ini.
At Bibi As, lawayan mo si Bibi. Dali.
Laway,
Lawayan man si Bibi.
laway babang. Iti as na, imbis na narunong kita.
Ano, bukyo ni sinula man ko. Chihuwa. Hindi si Huwa ko. Ano ko si Huwa? Napili ay na ano ito sa anak.
Na, bigla ada yung pagbuan.
Pagbaba.
Nga si ating nila, yung pwerso, si Ila.
Tita Ila. Tita Ila.
Tita Ila.
Sugdumi ko si Tita Ila.
Kapag ating mo,
Matiktok kita.
Oo.
ay kung dito kasi sa Manila, ay buang CCD lang mo.
Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ka ribig-kibig na sa
Buang
kalawas.
kanila.
Tali ka to, di ka rin Tita Ila pag mata. Sinda, tali ka rin Tita Ila.
Makami
Ay, Tita Ila, kapag mata-mata mo mahinanap mo. La? La?
Ila.
Nawayan mo si Bibi.
Tita Ila. Ay.
Hindi.
Dito ano laway na.
Ganun na kasi.
Ginatod siya.
Ginapod kita.
Sabi ni Mama.
Ulang ka ano. Ay, dito na ko nag-antay yan. Mas-dito yan.
Ate Kasi!
Napinit yan.
Kasi!
Ano?
Ate Kasi!
Nabigla pagbaba. Ay namata pala.
Kung kulog yung santiyan,
Ate Mama kamay!
buwan, na nailuhanin, bagaan sinuhot yung pinit ang kaniya buhay.
Pare.
Pukahan.
Ay, nagkulog na ang tiyan mo. Late reaction. Dade, bakit? Bakit nang MPP? Ay, si Mama. Ito na si Mama. Okay na lang.
Ada upang ay.
Naghilid na. Naghilid na.
Muna mo na baba. Ano, Jino. Kulog to yan? Makulog ang tiyan.
Makulog lang tiyan. Makamati na.
Late ang isang tiyan. Baudan ta nagbibi. Baby niya si Bambang ha.
Ano sabi, ikain ka sa una magpulaan mo doon.
Barangay da.
Ha?
Barangay.
Iskidiyo.
Bildo ni Barangay.
Gusto ka rin yun.
Ito na.
May bata na yun. May ada karantila.
Dulaw.
Oh, dulaw.
Lan, may dulaw ka ha? Ate?
Kapag dito lang ang mamay, kitang puli ko paghali. Oh. May blitz ako, baby.
Wala na nga may dulaw. Kalong may na nga.
May blitz ako, baby. Ada si Sheila.
Sa pasakay.
Ay, mga bibing pagtorog.
Alisard, ay pig ni Lula.
Oo, ay.
Ay, ng pig ni Lula. Ha? Pig.
Okay lang, kid. Mga tulugan daw kayo na pagpatulugan. Ano naman ang kalanggan.
Mainit na.
Mainit
Mainit lang matubig, mama. Ha?
Ang rapper. Ang rapper.
Oh my God. Brazil. Sorry guys, sabi nga lang. Hello guys. Welcome to my guys. I need to finish mine. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Thank you for joining. Ka na naman, ba't di mo mapigilan? Sa'yo sabihin, nadarama naman sa'yo ako. Thank you so much. Pangarap ka, ibigin ka. Okay, tagal ko nang naghihintay sa akin. Pag-ibig na di mawala. Oh my God, so beautiful. Love you, Cherry. Thank you, Simon. Hi, Simon. Very nice.
Okay na? Napula na?
51 people in the house. Love your outfit. Thank you so much. Really love my outfit. Donnie, wow. Wow, because the outfit is wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. In my heart, I needed you. 34 people, cute, cute. 34 people in the house. Thanks so much. 65. Wow. Maybe my are the separate. I'm thinking that people fall in love with me. I think this is a good. Moment. This is called. God. You're so beautiful. Thank you, Donnie. He Island Donna. Simon, thank you, Simon. Wow, sister, your girl beautiful. Thank you. Girl. I'm not a girl. For any this time, I'm moving back and smile. In between. 59 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Thirty-five people. Thanks so much. Okay, okay, yes. Okay, okay, yes. My heart's separation.
May ano pa? Maalong si pa? Oo, ilawayan ko.
Okay, lawayin ng tabi.
Looking good. Thank you, Rick.
Hindi. Ano, nagbakasiya ka magdugo. Tapos siya rin na sumama.
Si Mama, ilawayan na ni Mamay.
Ay, ikaw, naabot pa lang ay kanina. Ibila, Si, ganda.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hindi mawisi kasi nailigon. So, na ano na dito? First, nakayuti ay pa. Ako malulupon ako. Lalo na yun ang ay. Pininganit sila, bago matulog. Oy, di ka so, may sabi yun ni Mama, New Year. Pwede naman yung maabutan.
Thank you so much.
Mga prutas naman. Ah, mag-review na.
Direk pa na abian. Ano, pula-pula lang ka na. Nagdudok-loy. Nagatod dyan. Ang impact sa ano, awat, awat ano. Oo, gatod yun. Dudok-loy sa ng tulo. Kapag matiktok yun, kapag matiktokon yun, nagdadaldal di ba? Bagal may nag-ano pa, hindi sa ano. Kadiri ko nga ni mabuktan kay nangatulog na ako.
Hindi ka marinig. Hindi na ikaw ba sa mga mapapaiko dun sa grits ni Mama ngayon. Grabe na naghahay. Ayaw niya yung tagtabuti ha? O, maybe yan. Oo, uwi ko na. Ayaw niya paglabuti yung ha? Baby, Kuya Ashley yun. Ay, Diyos ko, Marius. Ang hibi na yung abot sa ikaduwang gulo. Sabi ko, sabi niya, di ba na, bata ni Ate Gina, oo, ano yan na? Ayan, ayun ang dulo. Paghalit ko yung hakulong na naman. Wala nang pagpapainin. Oo,
Thank you, 21 people. Ladesh love Nage. Hi. Ladesh Nage. Thank you so much. Ladesh. Ladesh. Oh, gonesohard.com. Thank you. Thank you so much. Parang
di ba may malain ang pamati, mamay kakauno ni Nag-Grace. Wala pa rin kaputan nila.
Si Wawa. Wawa. Come to Wawa, come to Wawa.
Ila? Ay, buwan, dali. Madals ka mo rin ng buwan. Pinagpapahinga ka rin, ma? Ila?
Sino?
Hi, hi. Ito, di bebe. Hi, hi. Oh, ito. Sige, sige.
Ha? Ito.
Ay, mayan.
Ay, salamat, tawara na. Tinalpo na.
Talaga.
Bibigyan mo kami ng tubig yung
Akala ko tulong. Sabi mo na ako ha. na, kuya. Baka mo na.
Nasarap pa natin.
Ha? Isda? Ha? Okay, Dok. Ito naman talaga ni Gedo. Kaya kapag pilihan ako ni Isda, Gedo nga. Gabi ka ba sila?
Hey, hey! Si Babang. Nakalive pa na ako.
Ada kami together.
Love me, love me, love me. Darling, darling.
Bakit tanggal ng tulong mo? Tara. Okay ka na?
Kanana ko bakalon. Ay, wala na ng kwarta kay
Sino yan?
si ate Laki.
Kay.
Si ate. Di kan ate niya.
Kami tindahan pa po. And first, ako siya tumagahan yung nakaraan. Tindahan eh. Ay, baba mo, look up dyan. Ano, baba mo? Ay, nagpura-pula. Dramatic to kita. Masaya kita. Ay, nagpula na. Yay! We're going to Jabi? No? Yes. Yes! We're going to Jabi. Utik mo. Ano? Yes? Wawa. Jabi with Wawa. Yeah, Jabi with Wawa. Jabi with Wawa.
Lagi pa hindi ka magpagin.
Magkaaral mo ka na.
Ako kung na, tapos na, nalagbusin na, mapapa.
Jabi with Wawa. Yes, say a line. Line. Line, Jojo. We're going to
Oh, nakari ko kita karo.
Wawa.
Ay, karo, umilis.
Sino? May namatay baga dito.
Ay, ito mo, karo na lagi niya.
Sa ano na? Pagod na ni ano mo.
The Richard.
Oo, pagod na ni tito mo.
Kasi nalatay.
Ano na, alam kasi din baga dito.
Oo, ito na si Gwen ang pamakain. Ang kaklase ni Gwen. Ay, ni Gwen dahil na yan, oh. Ito. Si ano, Midis.
Si Bimbo, wala ko si
Bagaman, bagaman.
Ay, si Midis. Sila.
Ha?
Tingnan na lang ang mga Ninay. Sinintali nila mo. Dali lang yan si Minsa.
Nagsisiko ka pa.
Ade na lang. Masok ko doon ito.
Ito na ba?
Sorry ka pa na ano.
Sino kaya na? O, da yun mo. Bibi pa siya na sa phone. Sabi niya, Jack. Irirog sa ano ko. Gusto sa bata niya. Kung mapatulang kay bata pa.
Ako na yan.
Ganda.
Hindi.
Sabi ko na yan eh. O ayos ka na.
Kaya nga nun. Dada! We're going to Javi.
Sarap pa. Sarap pa.
Pakahadok.
Silik.
Kaon din.
Wala sa yatan silik.
Bakit hindi pa kumami ang nakasapay ka?
Doon sila.
Ano ko lang kaabot ko.
Itagiti Ash.
Ay, may naigaw.
Ano sabi Mimi?
No.
Suratan mo din lang. Huwag ka na kami gawan.
Paano talaga? Natural lang reaction lang.
Ba daw man sinamatay ng pampanting ng dalaga.
Ames kung ka na sa diyate gila. Kasi lang.
Ano ka naman?
Lahu. Dentro na sa dis.
Ay, mayad na.
Ay, okay lang. Nag-game ka na?
Normally.
Yeah. Ito ko rin sila daw ko. Alam pa lang.
Good na good. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. Iuti mo na babaw.
Okay.
Okay na ito.
Ababawon. Aday. Sarili mo na babaw. Okay. Okay. Aray. Aday. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, yan sa'yo. There. Okay. Aday.
Maminig.
Amo pa bakan. Yung pa umami. Yan. Yung pa lumutang na daw. Wala ulit.
Kaya ako mairo ka
May mo sa kulay.
Sabi mo eh.
Bago ay nandun.
Di bali, duwa na na eh.
Nakaya mo ba kan mga Hey, hi Pixels, how are you?
Oh,
The pizza.
dito ba daw?
We're going to Javi because we're going to ride. Javi, we're going to ride a bus. We're going to Javi. We're going to ride.
Makto, aja pag Javi.
We're going to Javi. We're going to ride the van. We're going to Javi. We're going to ride the van. We're going to Javi. We're going to ride the bus. We're going to Javi. We're going
Hiyo!
Hey!
Hey, you. Love me harder. Love me. Mhm. My God.
Jangan-jangan.
Nalo ko na sa sisila lang yung mga kalita.
Ano, Bem? Bem, chat ka na tabi dito sa...
Diskidiyo, ang tayo ng kandiya. Eh,
Bigay Eh, baga, iyo ba yan?
Klase naman. Ha? Klase naman. Eh, pagpatuloy ka. Ano ka tatanong ko lang?
Eh, pagpaturugan.
Bituan, ano yung nampig? Ay, nampig ni Lola. Ampig ni Lola. Nagpasali ampig ni Lola. Nag-eat baganti ka. Makulog ganti yan? Ha? Kulog? Kulog? Bawal yan si Tita Men? Kaya yung gato di ka, ha?
Ano ganda mo? Ha?
Samong-samong ka man.
Ayaw nga. Papa?
Magpapa na lang ikaw. Magpapa para may
Ayaw nga.
ha?
Jollibee.
Majalibig ka mo ni
Jollibee?
Majalibig ka mo ni Wawa?
Gusto mo
Oo,
Jollibee?
diri ka po sila Tita Men na. Tito ka ba?
Samong yan.
Dapat paturok kayo.
Ada, alay ka.
Kulog ba yan? Kulog pa?
Sulat ka radio. Ah, didi ka.
Kulog pa? Mawara na yung nakulog sa tiyan, ha? Ha? Paano ba? Walang mini ko kagate? May mini ka kagate? Kulog naman yun. Lungsik naman yun. Dami ko kulog lang.
Ashley, paano yun?
Hindi, di ko malatin din na imod. Pero inabayan ko na. Gawin na ako ni ate.
Pinaba ko lang siya eh, kasi nag-ihi ako.
Mapinitan. Ay, pag napipinitan ng baga kita makulog man ang tiyan. Oo, malayo na lang. Kaya naman kada sa may gamgam na to. Naman sa pa.
A little cute pie. I need to end the live because of, thank you so much for joining. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Hope see you next live. She fell sick. She fell sick. April Fafik Melia. April Fafa Camelia. Hi April. Thank you for joining. 22 people. Thank you so much. 85 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you my friends here on. Thank you next live. Love you all. Bye bye.